You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
They call me D-Tong now, but Daredevil will do. I've traveled to hell and back, and I'd gladly do it again if it helps.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
When we're done here, you're welcome to join us back at the back.
Thanks for the offer, but I'm needed on the streets. Innocent lives hang in the balance.
You've already saved so many. Even justice needs to rest every now and then.
Maybe, but not on my watch.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Humans are so fond of their golden idols, but all of them shall bow to steel.
You're on my radar. Back to my old self.
Watch your back. They shall not escape our wrath now. It's the double.
I see
Over here.
that's much better. That's what I call justice.
Hi, neighbor. Spider tracer. Imagine with the spider tracer.
Health, I needed that.
Help get that vehicle to its destination.
Thanks, friend.
Pay for your sin. Let the double out.
Behind you.
This is a team effort.
Pay for your sin.
Willing to help? No worries. I've got your back.
I see you.
No escape.
You've been sentenced to public. That's much better.
You're halfway there. Keep going. Double KO.
Uh-oh, they don't look friendly. Ain't no building nests on Bass Head, tippy toe.
My radar. That's what I call justice.
Born again.
Double KO.
Tremble before fast.
You get a web, you get a web.
On my radar.
Us against the world.
You still have to deal with the devil.
Exactly as I
The vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
I see you. That's much better.
Double KO.
I see you.
Tagged him with the spider tracer.
You deserve the credit. credit, not me.
Right by my side.
Over here. I can heal you.
Thanks. Look at her. Hey,
Wakanda has given us a sacred gift.
Face the devil!
Count on me. Whoa.
Our enemies are near. I can feel the pain.
Double KO!
Back to my old self.
That's it! Don't let anything stand in your way.
On the hunt.
They're sneaking from behind.
Face the devil! Let the devil out!
Shields up. Oh, I got your back.
Hellfire! Let the devil out! You still have to deal with the devil.
Oh, hey.
Get that vehicle moving again!
Those are bad guys.
Capacity.
Tagged him with the spider tracer.
Double KO!
Blind justice!
Sticky for you. That's a bad guy.
Anyone else up for saving an empire?
Check this place out.
A little help, please.
You've still got what on my radar.
So close! This is your big chance!
You've been on the hunt.
Apparently you needed some help.
Chip in.
I can feel the darkness coursing through this totem.
Another